What's up guys? Welcome to iCare4U again. So in this video I want to show you how to use 2-in-1 lens, super wide angle lens and macro lens. So let's continue with me together. Here is my Google Pixel 2 XL. It has only single camera. So it doesn't have macro lens and super wide angle lens. But I use the front lens to refresh my camera. Yeah, I think the Google Pixel 2 XL when refresh the phone lens, it will be better. Yeah, it will be better. We can take the macro lens photography or super wide angle lens, right? Okay. And now this is my phone lens. You can see. It is super wide angle lens and macro lens. In manner, it 2-in-1 lens. It's just around $10. You can buy it. Yeah, you can see. The super wide angle lens 0.45 and the macro lens about 52 millimeter. Yeah, and now you see 2-in-1 lens. Yeah, if you want to use super wide angle lens, you don't need to take the macro lens out. But if you want to use macro lens, yeah, you should to take the super wide angle out like this. Yeah, you can take like this. You can take it out. Yeah, and you can use macro lens. But super wide angle lens, you need to use them together. Yeah, to use them together, right? Okay. Okay, the first thing I will show you how to use the super wide angle first. Yeah. So now the first thing that I have to do is input the phone lens into the tool of phone lens, right? Yeah. How to import my phone lens? I want to use the super wide angle first. Yeah. So I didn't take off the macro lens. Yeah. I need to use them together. Okay. And then I get my Google Pixel 2 XL. Yeah, I will import the phone lens on the lens of camera. But if you want to use on other device, yeah, that have two camera app, you need to make sure which one is the main camera. Yeah, that you can put the phone lens on it. That will give you the good result of the photo or picture. Yes, and now I have to import it on my camera, so make sure it is between. Yeah, you can see it is already between. So I will to take the video and the photo now of the super wide angle lens. So now I'm taking the video from my Google Pixel 2 XL with the super wide angle lens 0.55x. So you can see how the quality of lens can do in the video. Okay, now I want to use the macro lens. Yes, you have to take the super wide angle out from the macro lens. Yeah, I take it out, and then you can use the macro lens. Okay, I take it out right here, and I input my macro lens on my Google Pixel 2 XL. Yeah, just do like before. Yeah, it's very easy for you. You can watch my video, then you can do it by yourself. Okay, and now go to take the photo and video with the macro lens. You can see, yeah, this is really clear than before when I use my Pixel 2 XL with the macro lens. And then I will take some picture and video for you guys. Yeah, that is really easy to use. It's not too hard. Yeah, I will take video and picture for all you guys.
guys for watching my video. Make sure you are already subscribed my channel for more new updates. See you the next video. Thank you.